Hi, I'm Stephen Crosby, I'm the Head of Maintenance of Scotland's Railway. Today we're here to officially launch the partnership with the Roch Primary School. So our relationship began just over a year ago. This primary school took part in a competition around COP26. Since that competition we've worked together and we've had school pupils out visiting our Glasgow delivery unit where they've learnt about careers in the railway. And also, as you can see behind me, we've had some of our staff from Glasgow delivery unit out constructing this learning lodge, and underneath us, as we saw earlier on, we've got a bike shed that our staff have helped create for the kids. Today I'm really proud to be here to hand over 22 reconditioned bicycles that some of our staff have helped source and fix for the kids to use. So going forward with St Roch's, we're going to take part in a Go Ride scheme with the children to help gain their knowledge and confidence for cycling outside the school grounds. Also, we're going to have a trip to SWG3 to learn and take part in a bit of street art, and also there's an opportunity in the future for our own colleagues to engage in volunteering as well and do some more work around the school in some of the areas that need some support with.
Today is a very exciting day. We are launching our Learning Lodge behind me, and we are also very, very lucky to be gifted with fantastic bikes and accessories, and today's a celebration of a very successful partnership, and it's about children being involved and about how we look forward into the future. So it's benefited the children's learning and their development, it's helped with their health and well-being, especially their mental health, and it's really planted a seed for what they can do in the future. What we're looking forward to is continuing our lovely welcome to the partnership that we've had, working together as a family, involving all of Network Rail and working with the children and moving forward. Times are tough, things are very difficult and will be difficult for a long time, so we're looking forward to the relationships, we're looking forward to the support, the compassion and the connection, but we're looking forward to all the fun.
Safety is first, you're right, Luke.
Really proud to be part of this, and there's an opportunity for the future, so keep an eye out for what's going to come next.